Hi you guys, welcome to MyCuriousCrafts. This is Shane, and in today's video we're going to be making bows because it's Bow Wednesday, and if you want to learn how to make them, stick around. Okay you guys, so in today's video we're going to be using 4 different ribbons. I have 2 1.5 size ribbons and I have 2 2.5 size ribbons. So grab your ribbons and let's get started. This is ribbon number 1, and we're going to have 12-inch tails and 6-inch loops. So I'm going to measure out to 6, and I'm going to fold it back and bring it between the dowels. I'm going to twist so that I'm bottoms up again, and I'm going to measure out to 6 here. I'm going to take it through the dowels, and I'm going to twist so that I have the not so pretty side up, and I'm going to untangle that a little bit, measure out to 6. Once again, bring that through the dowels, twist again, measure out to 6 one final time, bring that through the dowels, straighten my ribbon out a little bit. I'm going to cut the ribbon off of the spool now, and I'm just going to straighten those 4 loops out to make sure that they're equal and that my bow looks good in the dowels right now, because this is the foundation of the bow and it needs to look great. Okay, so now on to ribbon number 2. Again, we have a 2.5-inch ribbon here. We're going to have a 12-inch tail, so I'm just measuring a 12 now. I'm going to stick that between the dowels. I'm going to twist so that I have the not so pretty side, and I'm going to measure out to 5. I'm going to bring it through the dowels. I'm going to twist. I'm going to measure out to 5 on this other side. I'm going to have 2 loops on, I'm going to have 1 loop on each side. So now I'm just going to bring my tail down and I'm going to cut that off. Good to go. Now, we're getting ready for our 3rd ribbon. And this ribbon is going to be in a 1.5-inch ribbon. And again, I'm going to have 12-inch tails. So I'm going to measure out to 12. I'm going to put it through the dowels. I'm going to twist. Now each time I go between the dowels, I'm twisting unless I'm going to have a tail, and then I'm just going to cut my tail off. I twist, I measure out to 4. I'm going to bring it up because I can't really see my measurement there. So I'm just going to make sure that it's even and that it appears to be about 4. Now this is ribbon number 3, and you guys know that I typically like to use 3, but today we're going to use 4, and I do 2 1 2, and that means I have 2 loops on each side for my very first ribbon, and you'll see that with the polka dot. And then the plaid ribbon, you see that I have 1 loop on each side. And now this is my 3rd ribbon, and I have 2 loops on each side. Now just for a little added pizzazz here, I'm going to bring in the racetrack ribbon. This is my 4th and final ribbon. I'm going to have 12-inch tails, and I'm only going to make a little small loop here, which if you could see the numbers on the EZ Bowmaker, it would be about approximately 2 inches. Okay, so I'm going to make that look real pretty, and I almost forget. So we're just going to bring that down, and 12-inch tails, so I'm going to grab my scissors and cut that off. And now I'm going to make sure that my bow is secured and make sure that it looks nice in my stack. I'm going to pull my stack up, grab my zip tie. Now watch this part carefully. I don't want to tighten my zip tie too taut at this point because I want to slip in my pipe cleaner or my chenille stem. That's how I'm going to attach my bow to my project. So now I can pull it taut. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut it off. So you guys, doesn't it look pretty? Now, remember, if you like the video, please give me a like. And if you want to see future videos, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified when I upload any future videos, press the bell. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.